Hi, it's a wonderful December 12th. It's kind of cold, but that's fine. And then we got the G sedan and then the Nerd ZX. About to go for first time at a track. I've never drifted dry, but he has, so he's gonna be fine. But I'm definitely gonna have some issues, so that's gonna be fun. We're gonna be late because I decided to try and adjust my seat in the Safeway parking lot, and it broke my seat. I'm definitely gonna have some issues. So I didn't have adjustment, and my knees were in the dashboard, and I could not drive like that. So I had to take my whole seat out, take the sliders off, and then rebolt my seat in without the sliders. So it's racked all the way back right now with no sliders in it. Jesus Christ. Don't buy a Z car. Okay, we're here. Z is me and the Z. And we got the pit set up for here. Pit. We got Gabe with the G. It's really, really foggy. Track's over there. Can't see shit. Oh, nice. Dude with the 350 just broke an axle. Yeah, we're gonna go do a shakedown and see how it goes. This is about 15 laps in, so 5 sets of 3. The spares are still doing good. They're a little chunky, or it's chunking, which why I'm taking a cool down, because I can't afford to keep that happening. I only have one more set to drive home on. I don't have another set to rage on. But yeah, as of right now, the Z is being a good boy. No major issues. I like lose the entire dash sometimes, but it's only the whole thing, and then it comes right back. It kind of just flickers. I probably soldered something wrong. That's on me. But yeah, temps are staying right in the middle and where it's supposed to be. And then oil pressure staying where I like it. I think I'm gonna shut it off in just a second, let it idle, and then kill it. And give it like 10 minutes. But yeah, first drift day as of now. This shit's fun as fuck. That's the only way to put it. Yeah, I'll check in with Gabe as well in the G35 when he comes back in. He's able to link the entire course because he's on some of the GK Tech angle kit, the ISR coilovers, and then that's about it really. It's just angle kit welded diff coilovers. So he's doing great. I'll check in with him in just a second. I'll try and get some follow cam of him, but I'm shit, so yeah, that's where we're at right now. Okay, so we're going for a passenger ride in Gabe's car. Gabe, how you feeling so far?
Yeah. Give her a good set, brother.
He can link the whole course, and it's kind of fucking sick. We got 0-2. But yeah,
the titties keep me in focus.
The titties keep me in focus. our turn yet? Update here, I fucked DB'd really good. Fucked that good. And hold on. Gabe DB'd it too, right? So Gabe gave her a good one too, and his Wi-Fi fell off. Let me see. Yeah, his fucking exhaust fell off. I know that wasn't the greatest angle, but Gabe lost his exhaust. We both fucking DB'd it, dude. How's it going?
Oh well.
That's where we're at. Jesus. What are you doing?
Car's too low.
Car's too low. You know, I can't even begin to see why you would have DB'd it. I mean, there's still like so much
There's
left.
still life in there.
There's still life. Fucking A. You got camber work too, bro? Yeah!
Yeah.
We all need alignments. 0 camber rear, then like 1.5 in the front? What are you doing?
Shit ain't going up.
Shit ain't going up. Alright. Update. We've been informed by very nice guys with an Altezza that oh, he PP2. He PP2. There is a very nice old man over there. Looked like he was in a horse trailer. He's got a tire mounting machine. I'm gonna see if he wants to put my good old spare back on the rim. If he does, I'll give him a kiss. When did that happen? There's a badass LS FDRX7. That's fucking sick. So an update on Gabe's situation, because I wasn't on track when he did that. That's what he did.
At least I got 2 studs.
At least you got 2 studs. He's putting the matching set on the rear, and as of right now, it looks like we're dropping the G off about 15 minutes from track at his aunt's house.
I told you, you should have fucking brought that duct tape so I could duct tape my wheel on.
No, dude. And then he's gonna ride home with me in the Z. I made some room. Had to fuck with my interior in the back to get that set up. He's not gonna be comfy. There's a bunch of shit down there, but a radiator?
Unfortunately not.
Did you crack yours?
Yeah, somebody fucking
Launched into each other a little bit.
Yeah, he lost wheel
By any
studs.
chance, do you have 3 wheel studs for me?
Yeah, I do.
Actually?
For real? You have spare wheel studs?
About 5. Yeah.
For what?
Yeah, that blue Z over there, I'll hook you up.
Dude, we got wheel studs. Put me right here. So, dudes at the track are the best people ever.
Dude, okay, so he came over to me and he was like, yo, you got a spare radiator for a Z? And I was like, you got a spare fucking wheel studs for a G? And he was like, fuck yeah, I do. Hell yeah.
So he bought wheel studs and lug nuts for 20 bucks to get his car rolling up. So he's not riding with me anymore. It was that dude over there with the blue Z. I didn't get his name. I didn't shake his hand. I should have. But yeah.
Need his Instagram or something.
I need his Instagram or something.
Fuck with that guy.
Fuck with that guy hella.
Yeah. Got to get some wheel studs at the track.
Yeah, he's over. Where is he at? He's over there with his group.
How much time we got?
We got a couple hours.
Wait, when does the track close? 4.
They're hounding for a radiator for his Z, because this track does no cage tandems. They let you tandem with no cage. And he saw the one's downside of that because somebody was getting up his ass. So he's like, all right, let me go. And he was raging it, and he spun out head on with that dude. and he lost his radiator. He lost everything on his front clip. He was fucked, and he's pissed, but he's looking for radiators. So that's the downside of no cage tandems, but it's cool. So I don't know. Got some good laps in. I probably got 20, 21 before I debeated. The rest of my session was done. Gabe though, he probably hit 25-ish or more before he ended up debeating and losing his wheel studs. It really sucks. The lap after we got his set to go again, it's when he fucking blew his wheel studs.
I said one more time.
One more lap. Thunk.
Pedal shorts. Fuck that.
Dude. Yeah. Still a good day. That dude made everything way better. And just like that, G is back together. Gonna get to drive it home. Fucked the fender a little bit, but not enough.
It's fine.
What do you even fucking call that? Am I dumb? Quarter panel fender, blah blah blah. Yeah. Oh yeah, the dude that helped us out, Blue Z _253. I'll try and put it here. Definitely be in the description. Blue Z 253. Blue Z _253. Coolest motherfucker ever. But yeah, we're just gonna get home. I need to eat. He needs to eat. Fuck. All right, time to suit up. Head home. Let me see if the Z wants to start. That's always the question here. You know, it's a great angle. Okay. Easy. And just like that, we're home. First drift day's over. The Z is home. The G, Gabe lives somewhere else, so the G is at his house. Just gotta unpack all this, all that, and then call it good. But yeah, if you watched the only other video on the channel currently, the B2200, there's going to be a follow-up to that soon, and there should be more content of the Z and everything, and the G, hopefully 2 Miatas in the near future, 2 different buddies. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Feedback in the comments would be much appreciated on what I need to do differently. But yeah, bye.